About this item iconic MagnaFlow sound, the Street Series is engineered to deliver the resonant, throaty sound that MagnaFlow is famous for. Exhaust Kit 16668 has been tuned to produce superior interior and exterior sound levels for an enhanced driving experience when installed on your vehicle. Dyno proven performance. Extensive dyno testing is used to ensure that this catback exhaust system increases engine power and performance by improving the flow dynamics and evacuation of exhaust gases. Precision robotic construction, durable, corrosion-resistant stainless steel construction and CNC precision robotic manufacturing techniques. Guarantee reliable system performance for the life of your vehicle. 16668 is proudly made in the USA. Perfect fitment. This direct fit Street Series system fits onto your vehicle easily thanks to the extensive use of 3D scanning during development to ensure OEM-like fitment. 16668 includes all the hardware necessary for do-it-yourself installation. Limited lifetime construction warranty, performance that lasts. Enjoy worry-free ownership knowing that you're backed by MagnaFlow's limited lifetime construction warranty. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item iconic MagnaFlow sound, the Street Series is engineered to deliver the resonant,